Hey guys, down at the local flying field. Just gonna fly a couple of quads, and we've got all these birds. I was here last night flying my Extreme Flight laser, and man, I just got completely attacked. So there's just a bunch, but once I got airborne, there was like thousands. I got swarmed. It was insane. I thought I was gonna get hit or take them out with the aircraft and lose it. I wonder what's gonna happen with the quadcopters. As you can see, it's pretty smoky, super smoky. Today's one of the worst days. There's actually no wind, and it's just thick debris, this stuff. It's kind of weird. They were just getting stirred up again for some reason. There's just a few. I don't know if they're hiding in the corner or what, but man, there was a pretty big cloud. And like I said, last night it was barely flyable. It was so bad.
The film you're about to see has no characters. If you spare a little of your imagination, it is a film to describe to you the effect of cymatic frequencies on matter. Everything owes its existence solely and completely to sound.